In this video I'm going to show you how to install the meb-preheat device on the Volkswagen ID.4 right-hand drive using the 20-pin harness that is readily available from AliExpress. I disconnected the 12-volt battery first, just to be sure not to upset the car. So you just need to release this connection here. Some people don't do it. I did it. I still got some warnings after reconnecting it, but they went away after a couple of drive cycles. The first thing to do is put in the glove box door into the so-called service position. There are two tabs that you need to push to allow you to lower the door completely. Once you've done that, you can leave it as it is or just completely remove it. There are two pins that act as hinges. You can just pull them to the side using a flat screwdriver. With the door removed or not, the next thing to do is removing this plastic trim, which is held in place by 4 Torx screws. Very easy to remove. Now moving to the left side, you just remove the cover for the fuse box. You just pull it towards you. Then the next thing to do is removing the fuse box. There is a cable tie at the back that you need to cut. Be careful not to cut the cables. The fuse box itself is held in place by 3 tabs that you need to release. You can fold it down like this, and then what took me longer was actually removing the plastic holder for the fuse box. I needed to 3D print this tool, which I can just use to pull the retaining tab towards me and then push the plastic holder up, and it should come out. We now have access from the left side. Next thing to do is removing the bolt that is keeping the leftmost ECU in place. This allows us to gain a few precious millimeters, otherwise we couldn't disconnect the connector. You need to pull this red tab to the left before attempting to disconnect the connector. Then just use your bare hands. It took me a few minutes of wiggling and pulling, but in the end I managed to release it. Once it's disconnected, just connect the harness and assemble everything in reverse order.